The mathematical structure of the Quran was discovered by Dr. This is Rashad Khalifa website. Rashad Khalifa, who destroyed verses from the Quran to fabricate something called the mathematical miracle of the Quran number 19, which we proved to be false. You see, all of this, all of this is a false mathematics. Where is the person who asked me about Luke 23? Are you there? Are you still in the chat? I think I made a mistake. I thought this person is a Muslim trying to take us out of topic, but I think it's a Christian person. Please, when I'm talking about something, don't take me away from my topic. All right? For me, you see, here we go. I have suspicion that your question is coming from a Muslim trying to divert me. The Quran saying don't suspect. So the Quran actually is saying take Muhammad words blindly, not what they are claiming. And now they are trying to prove to you another deception, that the Quran have a mathematical miracle. And we prove this. And if you have my books, if you saw my videos, we prove it very easily in 2 minutes. In a minute. Who is a Muslim? He is willing to call me and tell me about the miracle 19, and I will do my duty to prove it to you in less than a minute to be false. All of this. Look how long. Look. False. Anyone? Less than 60 seconds. Actually, in what I changed my mind, 30 seconds. Who wanna call me is a Muslim, and I will prove that the miracle of number 19 is false in less than 30 seconds. Come on, don't make me say 10 seconds. This is too much. Like, I will not be able to say hello. Anyone? It's a lie. It's a big fat lie. Just to make it simple for those who because you might get Muslims speaking about this issue with you. If you go this claim of 19, and even Shabir Ali, he talked about it too. And the potato, I challenged him to prove it to us in the screen. Show us on the screen how you can count the words. So they say to you, brother, if you calculate the first verse in the Quran, Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim, is going to end as 19 letters, and then the drama continue for many verses after. But we can prove it very easy that this is false, because first of all, in Quran there's nothing is called bism, it is bi-ism. It is drawn here by let me show you. Here there's a letter is not showing. The Muslim, they changed the word because it is hard to pronounce it, so they took off the alif. So here we go, the first alif would destroy all the claim of 19. Number two, here in the Quran you will see there's something is called shadda. Those who speak Arabic, actually you can watch the videos of what is mean Nu'man Khan. Nu'man Khan, he count every letter have shadda. This is shadda. It's like something in the top of the letter. Let me zoom in. Hold on. You see this thing here? It look like this. Look like a sword, or you see it in the top of the letter here. In the top of this letter, do you see it? When you see that, that means there is two letters, not one. So in order, this is a new addition to the Arabic. When the Quran came, there was no those things you see in the top of the letters. They were not exist. Like those here dots, here sukun, kasra, etc. All of those are not exist in Arabic at that time. Those are addition. So each time there is, you see this signal here in the top of a letter, that's mean the letter is two letters. So Rabbu, Rabbi, Rabba, ba, ba. So we use shadda, so we make it extend, and that will save us from typing the letter twice. So look what happened now. How many shadda we have in this verse? Let us clean the screen and do it again. Here we have shadda, and in the top of the letter L, Allah. Then here we have Rahman, and here we have Rahim. So just by adding those, we have 3 more letters addition. You believe it? Now hold on, we are not done. Do you see here in the top of this word Ar-Rahman, let me change the color, you will see like a little stick, if I can say it's a stick. Let me zoom in here. Look underneath of it, you will see something like that. You see it? You know, I'm just trying my best to show you. You see that thing here? Do you see it? Small, tiny thing. This is Alif. This is letter A. So look what happened. In a very easy look, we find that the number 19 became 20, 21, 23, 24, 25. So where is 19? It's a lie. Here there's Alif, and actually I can show you from the Quran itself that this is written wrongly in the Quran. In Arabic we have nothing, it's called bism. That is a stupid Arabic. But the Muslim, because they fabricate their book, they took the letter off just to make it easy to pronounce. Even they agree, all the sheikhs agree that the word is not bism, it is bi-ism. And let me show you from the Quran itself. I will type the word in the correct way in the Quran, and let us see how it's going to appear. Switch to Arabic. Do you see it, guys? This is the correct way. فَسَبِّحْ بِاسْمِ رَبِّكَ. You see the alif here? In the first verse, it's taken off. Look how many verses. All those verses, they are writing the word correctly. Bi-ism, bi-ism, bi-ism. So this is the letter which is missing from this verse, where here there's no bi-ism. The letter here is gone. So where is the miracle of number 19? It's a lie. It's a big fabrication. Well, the Muslims, they say it's a miracle, and that prove the Quran is must be made from God because there's a match in mathematics, but it's a fabrication. By the way, I'm going to make a book which is you divide number 17, you end with the 7 Majid, and that will make you worship me as God. But the point is, even those who they sponsor such a lie, it's very easy to get them busted. But the game is, you don't speak Arabic, and they can lie to you. How you know what this is about? They don't speak Arabic, but they cannot fool me. Like Shabir Ali, he was talking to David Wood. The miracle is of number 19. He can say that to David Wood, but he will not dare to open the stock. He don't even dare to say hello to me. Miracle of number 19.